Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a Midea oven. First, let's ensure your oven is ready for its culinary debut. Make sure it's correctly installed and plugged in. Before you even think about cooking, remove all packaging, including any internal accessories. Then, take a moment to set the clock and your preferred language on the control panel. This simple setup ensures a smooth start to your cooking experience. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by selecting your desired cooking function, whether it's bake, roast, or grill, using the intuitive mode dial or touch controls. Next, set your target temperature. A common range is between 150 and 250 degrees Celsius. Once your settings are confirmed, simply press the Start button. Your Midea oven will then begin preheating, preparing for your delicious meal. With your oven preheated, it's time to manage your cooking duration. Use the timer function to set the exact number of minutes or hours your recipe requires. Once the oven signals it has reached the set temperature, carefully place your food inside. Throughout the cooking process, you can easily monitor your dish through the oven door or, for precise results, use a reliable meat probe. Enjoy watching your meal transform. After enjoying your meal, proper cleaning ensures your Midea oven remains in top condition. Always allow the oven to cool down completely before you begin any cleaning tasks. For general maintenance, simply wipe down the interior surfaces with a damp cloth and a mild, non-abrasive detergent. For more thorough cleaning, especially for stubborn spills, consult your specific user manual for detailed self-cleaning instructions. A clean oven is a happy oven.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.